Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating anything that blocks adhesion: oils, rust, and old coatings. Strip the part with a strong degreaser and wipe dry. Once done, sand from coarse to medium grit until the surface is uniform. Make sure to neutralize and rinse after sanding. Now apply a light acid etch to micro-roughen the metal so the next layers bond. This step matters because chrome will only adhere if the surface chemistry and texture are correct. You now move into electroplating. First, deposit a conductive underlayer, copper then nickel, because chrome needs a smooth, compatible foundation. Control current density and bath temperature closely. Fluctuations cause pitting or poor coverage. Once a thin nickel flash is down, increase thickness in controlled passes, rinsing between steps to prevent cross-contamination. Make sure to monitor plating time to reach the desired microns. You finish by applying the chrome layer thinly for corrosion resistance and shine. Too thick causes brittleness. Immediately rinse, dry, and buff to the target luster, then passivate to seal the surface. If you spot dull areas, pinholes, or flaking, stop. These indicate adhesion or bath issues. A key troubleshooting tip: if defects appear, strip the coating, correct surface prep or bath parameters, then rebuff and replate. Repeating the controlled prep and underlayer steps fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.